back everyone to another episode of the Freeschoolin Homestead. Wendy here at the campsite, and I thought I would just kind of tell you what's been going on from here. If there's a movement that kind of looks like wonky, it's actually not. I'm really trying to be better with the camera, but there's bugs everywhere. And I am wearing a bathing suit because I just came from doing a slip and slide thing, which I'll talk about next week. But this week we finished most of our planting and we got in pretty much everything. The only thing we haven't got in is our kale.
Show me again. Show me again.
Back.
Of where?
About a week and a half ago, we had our best friends and Hope's fairy godparents, Kevin and Sarah, over, and we had an awesome time. We had some great time at X Play, which is a trampoline park and laser tag maze, so that was a lot of fun. And we definitely had some campfires while in the last week because the weather has been amazing. There's our campsite there.
This one.
Yes. Because I would eat every hot dog in the first place.
It's quiet. Too quiet.
This is the store. Jason's door.
Honey, no. So what about a canoe without candles? Ooh! Oh. Oh, I think I collected some. Oh, man.
We also went to the bank. Hope for the first time took her saved money, rolled it up into coins, and took it to the bank to exchange it for paper money. And she bought some really cool toys that she had been looking for. So that was a really cool unschooling experience. We also hung out at the garden center. We were trying to get kale plants, but I didn't end up getting any from there. I still have to plant those. But it was super fun to look at all the plants that they had, and Hope really loved the flowers. And then the coolest thing that happened, I think, was the snapping turtle that we ended up running into. It's over 30 years old, and it usually kind of messes around in our potato garden. And we just kind of leave it alone, and it doesn't ever bother us. But it's just beautiful to watch, and it's really cool to be around this creature that's been here for longer than we have. So definitely show you that. Hope got a letter from her pen pal Sam, who lives in British Columbia, Canada, and so she was really excited to receive all of the really cool things that he sent for her, and is in the process of sending something back. So we're really excited about that awesome unschooling experience. And hi, Sam. Pretty much that's what's been going on, other than, you know, various unschooly things as Hope and Jays and I live and learn. We'll talk about subjects, look them up online, just constantly learning. There's just no way that I could possibly keep track of all of that, especially not just on blogging. We also, if you want to follow us on Facebook or Twitter, we definitely update people on what we've been doing on a more day-to-day basis, so feel free to follow us there. And of course our blog has a lot of pictures that we share that we don't share just anywhere else, so that's another way you can, which is all linked below. So thanks so much for watching. You have a great day. Much love from the Freeschoolin Homestead.